Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay. To my regular Takealots subbies, hey guys, what's up, what's popping? So you guys, as you all know, I've been rambling about this Takealot stuff. They finally here. Our order has finally arrived. Okay, so this is how Takealot thingy, the packaging is looking like on the sides. Okay, cool. That's really not a thing. So one thing about Takealot, Takealot will communicate some of the things not going to be communicated, and that's just that. It's either you take it or you leave it. With Takealot, customer doesn't come first. Okay, so this is probably my last purchase with them, because honestly I can't take a headache. Okay, cool. So you guys, let's just unbox what is in here, because honestly I just can't wait, because I literally forgot what I ordered from these people. Okay, yeah, so let's just go ahead and unbox. I have my scissor with me. Okay, no man, this is just crazy, honestly. Oh Jesus, it's just a whole lot. Yeah, well, that's not much. Okay, this is the insider. Okay, literally this is what in here. Okay, so let's start with the doom, because honestly mosquito are not playing with me. So I decided to choose the odorless, because I have sinus. So I bought this one because I want to insert on that thing. Let's see if it goes in there, because it seems like this is bigger. This refiller is bigger than, oh, this is 200 ml, you guys. Can you see? This is I bought this because I want to insert in this thing. Okay, so in here we have this one, the refiller, but the refiller is, it's over. Okay, so I bought this because I wanted to insert in here, and this is literally bigger. I thought this is 240 ml, because I knew I needed 240 ml, and this 240 ml, and this is 200 ml. I don't understand. I think when I select this thing, it was 240 ml. Okay, probably they didn't have, but they decided not to lose money. They gave me the wrong one. One thing about Takealot. So the next thing that I'm so excited about, this thing was, I'm sure it was less than 100 rand for sure, 100, less than 1 baht. And this one, alright, well, it doesn't look good as it does on Takealot's app. So they call this blush palettes. They call this blush palette, y'all, but I'm gonna use this for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this as a contour shades. You feel me? You feel me, right? Okay, cool. Why can't I open this thing? Takealot, please don't play with me. This is my thing now. Why you will close this as if I'm not gonna open it? Please don't play with me. Oh, yo, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, I know the lighting is messing around with these shades over here. Okay, the lighting were messing around with our shades. Oh my well, let me tell you something. This thing doesn't look as good as it does on Takealot, and this one on Takealot, it shows as if it has a mirror in here. These people, they play with my intelligence. One thing I love about this is this shade, and these are highlighter. These are highlights. I'm gonna use this as highlighter. I'm so happy, but I'm not sure if the highlights are really pigmented. Let's see. Oh, they are pigmented. Guys, I'm tired. I can't do this on my skin. And they smell nice. Guys, can you talk? This color, they so stunning, man. Oh my world. There's three. There's two, three. These three may have to be my favorites. Okay, yo. So I'm happy, but at the same time, I feel like these people, they play with my intelligence. Honestly, they did. Because the reason why I choose this is because, yes, I love the colors, I do love the shades, but I thought it also came with the mirror somewhere here, because I was so impressed that I'm gonna be applying this on the mirror. Okay, stunning. 10 out of 10. All right, the fact that it's odorless, I'm happy because that's what I wanted. And it says it's kill mosquito, cockroach and flies, so I'm happy about that shit. So I would say 6 out of 10 until I review this on the actual thing. Okay, now let's talk about the most exciting part. It has to be this eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this eyeshadow. Okay, I'm so happy. I was so praying that these goods, they're not out of stock. They're not out of stuff. That's why after they cancel my other accounts, my other order, I decided to order this immediately because I was not gonna afford to lose and not be able to get this eyeshadow palette. So this eyeshadow palette is overprotected. It's in here, so you remove it from here. It has this cute little thing, so I guess this is where I'm gonna be putting my eyeshadow from now on. Yeah, okay, so I don't want to make this video too long and I'm so exhausted, I need to sleep. Woo, let's switch off this thing because I feel like, there we go, honey. Woo, guys, what do you think, man? Don't play with me. Don't play. Oh my god, these colors, they're so stunning. Wow, these colors, they're so stunning, man. Y'all know how much I've been so tired with my eyeshadow that I've been using from Kylie Jenner collection. That eyeshadow is from Kylie Jenner's collection. My then boyfriend of that time bought it for me. So this thing, it seems like it's coming out, so you can actually take it out. Woo, guys, y'all, this is literally the main thing. This is literally the main thing. Okay, look at that. Look at these shades, man. I'm gonna be playing around with these shades. I love the shades. It looked different on camera. What's all this? I love the shades. I love these brownish shades. Okay, so I love the shades. I love all of these shades over here. I love these brownish nude shades going on here. Man, listen, I'm so obsessed with my order, right? So let's count how many shades I have here. Okay, apparently 3 orders they canceled. They said it's out of stock. It's a to do or soap, black soap, something. They canceled. They said they don't have it anymore. And there's also Maybelline 30-hour stay foundation. They said they didn't have my shade and they canceled my order. So all in all, this order was supposed to be 900 and something, but I ended up paying 500. I ended up paying 500, yo. So thank you so much, you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, I will see your thumbs up, thumbs in this video. So yeah, man, that's it. I need to go and sleep. Tomorrow I'm not working. Well, I'm working, but I'm not having early shifts. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be taking you with me. We're gonna go and get our hair done. All right, our hair done. This is okay. So far, this is 10 out of 10. And okay, no, I would say 8.5 until I try the shades. Okay, so y'all gotta stay tuned. Okay, yeah, man, I feel like I love this, but it doesn't fit on my thing. It is dollars. It is all dollars. And I'm loving it. I'm up for it, okay? So yeah guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up, okay? So when